The health workers were their target. They were looking for health workers like needles. Of course, they also needed our services in the bush. So when they got you as a medical worker, they would want you to help them. Every time you would be working at risk, any time you would be abducted. If we were to run away, who would now help them? So we persisted, and slowly the fear disappeared.
Conflict or crisis forces many health workers to flee. Others remain. Local staff and mid-level cadres, commonly female, have shown more willingness to stay in remote areas in some settings. Insecurity can remain after conflict ends.
Soldiers coming to hospital for service, and when we couldn't provide them service or medicine as fast as what they want, sometimes they shoot to the air or they threaten us.
ReBUILD's work shows what is needed to support staff to stay and work in underserved areas after conflict. This includes more recognition of their role and achievements in challenging circumstances, and practical measures to improve their security. Provision of decent housing, working conditions and pay are important motivators, as is access to in-service training. Rebuilding trust, communication and teamwork is also key.
In the first place, I was motivated by community of Lira Kato, the present Apono sub-county. They were in total support of my well-being. They were able to provide food for me. Another motivation was the district, which was able to provide for me means of transport. In my second job, UNCHR gave us an ambulance and we were to refer patients, and it enabled us to go far workshops, and there was insecurity, and they would even mobilize us for security to move. We used to use radio calls to communicate to the district and to our families. They also renovated an old house where we lived, and that was one of the motivation we got. And they also used to give us things from the Refuge Council. They gave us food and also good things like blankets and mattress because we had children.
You know, motivation is not physical things only, and that person in charge could motivate even through thanking you when you have done some work. And of course, once in a while, more often, not like these days, he could lobby for out workshops and refresher courses.